Hope you enjoyed your holidays. Okay, now we will do our new chapter. So take out your textbook, your English junction. Yes, today we will read our chapter number 3 and take out page number 18. Yes, and the name of chapter is And Friends. Okay children, before starting our chapter, you will see that we will circle the noun, verb and past noun को underline and we will zigzag to the adjectives. This lesson is based on ant. Do you know what are ant? Yes, ant is a insect. You find it in your home and the ant lives in holes. So first of all, look in your page number 18, 18. It's warm up. Yes, in warm up, which animal do you think can carry the heaviest weight? In this picture, there is a donkey and it is carrying a load. And this picture, it is an ant and it is carrying a leaf. And in this picture, it is an elephant and it is carrying the people. Which animal do you think can carry the heaviest weight? Yes, it is an elephant. Elephant can carry heaviest weight. Look, in this picture, the elephant carry the people. It means it can carry more weight than others. Okay? Look student, there is another question. Name one other animal that can carry heavy things. Yes, it is a horse. Horse also can carry heavy things. Now we will move our chapter. Read on to find out more about ants. अब हम रीड करेंगे एंट्स के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानकारी लेने के लिए. In the morning, Tony was all alone. मॉर्निंग में टोनी बिल्कुल अकेला था. टोनी played with his friends after lunch every day. हर रोज टोनी अपने मित्रों के साथ आफ्टर लंच यानी दोपहर के खाने के बाद खेलता था. बट इट वॉज ओनली 10 in the morning now. लेकिन अब इस समय सुबह के केवल 10 बजे थे. प्लीज कैन आई गो आउट टू प्ले मदर सेड टोनी. टोनी ने अपनी माँ से कहा कि माँ क्या मैं बाहर खेलने जा सकता हूँ? यस यू कैन टोनी. टोनी ने क्या कहा? हाँ. आई विल कॉल यू व्हेन इट इज लंच टाइम सेड मदर. माँ ने कहा मैं तुम्हें लंच का जब समय होगा तब तुम्हें बुलाऊंगी. सो ही वेंट आउट इनटू द गार्डन टू प्ले. इसलिए वो बगीचे में खेलने के लिए चला गया. टोनी लव्ड द गार्डन. टोनी को गार्डन बहुत पसंद था. ही लव्ड टू लुक एट द कलरफुल फ्लावर्स एंड द फ्रूट्स ऑन द ट्रीज. उसे रंग बिरंगे फूल और फल पेड़ों पर लगे हुए देखना बहुत पसंद था. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and old tin pail. और उसे लकड़ियों की छोटे छोटे बंडल से, सूखी पत्तियों से और पुराने टीन के बनी हुई बाल्टियों से खेलना भी पसंद था. Now we will take out our page number 1919. बट टुडे ही ऑल्सो फाउंड समथिंग एल्स, लेकिन आज उसे कुछ नया मिला। What he found? Let's move ahead. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. उसे क्या मिला? उसे गार्डन के कोने में एक लॉग यानी एक लट्ठा, पुराना टूटा हुआ लट्ठा मिला जो कि पेड़ से टूटा हुआ था। A line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. और काली चमकीली चींटियां उस पर मार्च कर रही थी। कैसे कर रही थी? एक के पीछे एक सीधे रो में वो चली जा रही थी। Now look, Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you." टोनी बेंट मीन्स क्या होता है? झुकना। देखिए इन दिस पिक्चर टोनी बेंट डाउन टू द एंड्स, वो झुका चींटियों की ओर और उसने उससे क्या कहा? हेलो, आई एम ग्लैड टू सी यू, मुझे आपको देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई। द एंड्स नोडेड देयर हेड्स, एंड्स ने जो अपना हेड था, अपना सर था, वो हिलाया। कैसे हिलाया? नोडेड मीन्स ऊपर नीचे अपने सर को हिलाना। कैसे हिलाना? यस, अपने सर को ऐसे ऐसे हिलाना। नोडेड मीन्स ऊपर नीचे करके जब हम अपने सर को हिलाते हैं तो इट मीन्स नोडेड। और शेक क्या होता है? लाइक दिस। जब हम ना में सर हिलाते हैं तो वो शेक होता है, लेकिन जब हम ऐसे सर हिलाते हैं तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है? उसका मतलब होता है हाँ। इट इज एंट ने अपना सर हाँ में हिलाया। वर दे ग्लैड टू सी हिम टू, क्या उन्हें भी टोनी को देखकर खुशी हुई थी? चलिए देखते हैं। टोनी वॉच देम, टोनी ने उन्हें देखा। वट आर दे डूइंग, वे क्या कर रहे हैं? वेयर आर दे गोइंग, वे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? ही वंडर्ड, उसे बहुत आश्चर्य था। ही लुक्ड केयरफुली एट एन एंट, उसने एक एंट को बहुत केयरफुली, बहुत सावधानी पूर्वक देखा। इट वॉज कैरिंग सम फूड इन इट्स माउथ, वो अपने मुंह में थोड़ा सा फूड लेकर जा रही थी। द अदर एंट्स वेंट अंडर द लॉग एंड पुट द फूड देयर, और जो दूसरी चींटियां थी वो क्या कर रही थी? वो लॉग के नीचे गईं और उन्होंने वहां पर अपना खाना रखा। नाउ टेक आउट पेज नंबर 2020। Look, in this picture, this ant is carrying the food in its mouth. Okay? Then they came out again to get more food. और फिर क्या कर रही थी वो? उस लॉक के नीचे जब खाना रख के वो आ रही थी, उसके बाद वो वापस आ रही थी। क्यों वापस आ रही थी? टू गेट मोर फूड, और अधिक खाना लेने के लिए। दे मूव टू वन साइड टू लेट अदर्स पास, वो एक साइड चल रही थी। देखिए सब एक के पीछे एक साइड चल रही हैं। क्यों? ताकि वो दूसरी जो चींटियां हैं जो वापस आ रही हैं उनको रास्ता दे सके। जैसे कि ये चींटियां इधर से जा रही हैं और ये चींटी इधर से वापस आ रही है। दे वर्कड टुगेदर एंड कैरीड बिग पीसेस ऑफ फूड, वो एक साथ काम कर रही थी और क्या लेके जा रही थी? बिग पीसेस, बड़े बड़े टुकड़े, अपने वजन से ज़्यादा सामान लेकर जा रही थी। दे वेंट अप एंड डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन, और इसी तरीके से वो नीचे खाना रख के जाती, फिर ऊपर आती, फिर जाती है नीचे लॉक के नीचे, लट्ठे के नीचे, और फिर आती। इस तरीके से वो लगातार वेंट अप एंड डाउन। बट दे नेवर स्टॉप टू रेस्ट, लेकिन उन्होंने रेस्ट यानी आराम करने के लिए वो रुकी नहीं। टोनी वॉच द एंड्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, टोनी उन एंड्स को बहुत देर तक देखता रहा। देन ही हर्ड हिज मदर कॉलिंग हिम, उसके बाद उसने सुना कि उसकी माँ उन्हें पुकार रही है। टाइम फॉर लंच मीन्स उसकी माँ ने कहा कि खाने का समय हो गया है टोनी। इट वॉज नून ऑलरेडी, अब दोपहर हो गई थी। ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हंग्री, टॉम को भी बहुत भूख लग रही थी। सो ही जम्प्ड अप एंड सेड, इसलिए वो ऊपर की तरफ उछला और उसने कहा, गुड बाय, आई विल सी यू टुमारो मॉर्निंग, मैं तुम्हें कल सुबह मिलूंगा। His and friends nodded their heads but did not talk because they were still busy marching up and down. उनकी जो फ्रेंड थी, कौन फ्रेंड्स थी? एंड फ्रेंड्स, जो चीटी मित्र थी किसकी? टोनी की। उन्होंने अपने सिर को कैसे हिलाया? नोडेड, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था ना, ऊपर नीचे, ठीक इसी तरीके से उन्होंने अपने सर को हिलाया। बट डिड नॉट टॉक, उन्होंने बात नहीं करी। क्यों नहीं करी? बिकॉज दे वर स्टिल बिजी, वो अभी भी बिजी थी। किसमें? मार्चिंग अप एंड डाउन में, यानी ऊपर जाने में और नीचे आने में। दैट डे टोनी लर्न एन इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन, उस दिन टोनी ने एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सबक सीखा। क्या सीखा? टू ऑलवेज वर्क हार्ड एंड वर्क टुगेदर एज अ टीम, यानी हमेशा कठिन परिश्रम करना चाहिए और एक साथ मिलकर एक टीम के रूप में काम करना चाहिए। Now student, what did you learn from this lesson? We learned from this lesson that we should always work hard and work together as a team. Now student, we will circle our nouns, underline our verbs and past forms and zigzag to the adjectives. So now look at your lesson. In the morning, Tony. Here morning and Tony is a noun, so we will circle it. Was all alone. Alone means akela. Who was alone? Tony was alone. So it is a adjective, we will zigzag it. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. Played. Play means khelna. It is a verb and it is in past form also, because when we add ed in the verb play, it will be in past form. So we will underline it. Friends yani mitra. We recognize our friends with this name, so it is a noun, we will circle it. Please, can I go out to play? Play means khelna and go means jana. These are verbs, so we will underline it. Mother. Mother is a noun, so we will circle it. Said. Said means kehna. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Yes, you can, Tony. I will call you. Call. Call means pukarna. It is also a verb, so we will underline it. When it is lunch time, said mother. So he went out into the garden to play. Went. Went means jana. It is a verb and it is a past form of go. So we will underline it. Garden. Garden means bagicha. We know the garden by its name. So we will circle it. It is noun. Play. We already underline it. It is a verb. Tony loved the garden. Loved means प्यार करना. It is a verb and it is in past form of love. So we will underline it. He loved to look at the colorful flowers. Look. Look means देखना. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Colorful flowers. We know the flowers with its name. So it is a noun. We will circle it. And how's the flowers? Flowers are colorful. So it is a adjective. It describes the flowers. So we will zigzag it. Okay. And the fruits on the trees. Fruits and trees also a name of an object. So we will circle it. These are nouns. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. Sticks. Sticks means patli patli टहनियाँ. This is noun, so we will circle it. Leaves. Leaves are name of thing, so we will circle it. It is noun. And how was the leaves? Leaves are dry, so it is adjective. We will zigzag it. And old tin pail. Pail means balti. It is a name of a thing. So we will circle it. It is a noun. And how is the pail? Pail is old and tin. So these are adjectives. We will zigzag it. Now look at page number 19. But today he also found something else. Found. Find means pana. And found is a past form of find. It is a verb with in past form. So we will underline it. He saw an old broken log in a corner. Saw means देखना. So it is a verb. We will underline it. Log and corner means kona and log means latta. These are nouns, so we will circle it. And how is the log? Log was old and broken, so we will zigzag it. It is a adjective. Of the garden, a line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. Marched means I told you, as the soldiers are walking, it is called marched, and it is a verb and it is also in past form, so we will underline it. Ants is a name of an insect, so we will circle it. It is a noun. And how is the ants? Ants are black and shiny. It means these are adjectives. We will zigzag it. Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you." See means देखना. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Bent means झुकना. It is also a verb, so we will underline it. The ants nodded their heads. Heads, it is a body part. We will know the head by its name, so we will circle it. It is a noun. Nodded, I told you, nodded means हिलाना. हाँ में सर को हिलाना. And it is in past form because we had ed in this node word. So it is a verb. We will underline it. Tony watched them. Watched means देखना, or watched is a past form of watch. It is a verb and also a past form of watch. So we will underline it. What are they doing? Do means karna and it is a verb, so we will underline it. Where are they going? Go is means jana and it is a verb, so we will underline it. Wondered means आश्चर्यचकित होना and it is also a past form of wonder. so we will underline it. He looked carefully at an ant. It was carrying some food in its mouth. Mouth is a part of our body. We know it by its name. And food, it is also a thing name. We know it by its name. So it is a noun. We will circle it. Carry. Carry means le jana. It is a verb. So we will underline it. The other ants went under the log and put the food. Went is a verb and it is a past form of go. We already underline it. Put means rakhna. It is a verb. So we will underline it. Now take out page number 2020. Then they came out again to get more food. Came. Come means ana, came means I. Or it is a verb with in past form. So we will underline it. Get. Get means pana. It is a verb. So we will underline it. Moved. They moved to one side to let others pass. Move means hilna and it is also in past form moved. So it is, so we will underline it. They worked together and carried big pieces of food. Look student, pieces. It is a noun, so we will circle it. And how was the pieces? Pieces was big. So it is an adjective, we will zigzag it. Worked and carried. Work means काम करना. Worked means काम किया. It means it is a verb in past form. So we will underline it. Carry means ले जाना and carried means ले गए. It is in past form and it is a verb. So we will underline it. They went up and down, but they never stopped to rest. Rest means आराम करना and stop means रुकना and stopped means रुके. It is in past form. So we will underline these verbs. Tony watched the ants for a long time. Time means समय. It is a noun. And how was the time? Time was long. So we will zigzag it. It is an adjective. Then he heard his mother calling him. Heard. Here means sunna. Heard means suna. It is in past form. So we will underline this verb. Call means पुकारना. Calling means पुकार रही है. Means it is a verb. So we will underline it. Time for lunch. Tony, it was noon already. Noon means दोपहर का समय and we will know this time by its name. So we will circle it. It is a noun. He was feeling very hungry. Feel means महसूस करना. Feeling means कर रहा था. It is a verb. So we will underline it. So he jumped up and said goodbye. Jump means उछलना. Jumped is a past form of jump and it is a verb, so we will underline it. I'll see you tomorrow morning. See means देखना. We already underline it. It is a verb. His ant friends nodded their heads. Nodded is a verb, so we will underline it. But did not talk. Talk means बात करना. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Because they were still busy marching up and down. Marching means चलने का तरीका. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Talk means बात करना. It is also a verb, so we will underline it. That day, Tony learned an important lesson. Lesson means sabak. It is a noun, so we will underline it, circle it. And how was the lesson? Lesson was important. So it is a adjective. We will zigzag it. Learn means seekna, or learnt is a past form of learn. So it is a verb with in past form. So we will underline it. To always work hard. Work means काम करना. It is a verb. So we will underline it. And work together as a team. Team means समूह, or we know it by its name. It means it is a noun. We will circle it. So student, hope you will circle the noun, zigzag to the adjectives, and underline the verbs with past form. Goodbye and take care everyone.